I'm documenting the paintwork inconsistencies here on the hood before moving to the undercarriage inspection.
I know what I have here, Ryder. That vintage unit is worth at least $1,000. It needs work. I can give you 600 cash.
As you can see, this hasn't been touched in years. That neglect is why we're finding so much carbon buildup.
Look what I found. The original Boss 429 manual.
This is perfect. We can finally figure out the carburetor rebuild with this section right here is critical for the rebuild specifications. I agree. I'll highlight the torque sequence and note the casting specs. There it is, the original transistor unit. We'll need to source some replacement capacitors before we try power. See how clean the chassis is?
Yeah.
The caps are probably shot, but the transformers look good.
Yeah, I think you're right. It just needs some love. I managed to fully restore this one. It's yours if you want it.
Wow, I can't believe it. Thank you, I'll take good care of it. Here, hold this for me. We need to diagnose the main harness. Got it. Let's see what we're dealing with. Hello, Ryder here. Yes, I specialize in classic muscle cars like the '69 Camaro. We can discuss the restoration details, but I'll need to see the...
Yeah, should be done soon.
Hey, interrupting anything important? Mike.
Not at all, man. Come on in.
She's coming along great, Mike. The engine rebuild is almost done.
That's awesome. Let me know if you need an extra set of hands with the chassis.
I appreciate that, man, but I'm not sure I can afford the extra labor right now. Actions. We've sourced the best available components, blending new technology with the original specifications.
How much of a difference will it make? Carcraft modified these cars by hand.
Yeah.
Although technically 69 models, many were assembled in late 90s. This Boss 429 didn't just compete, it dominated the circuit in '71. It deserves to be seen.
You're right. I'm going to restore it exactly.
The key here is precision. Getting these tolerances exactly right is crucial for the Boss 429.
Okay, I hear you. The timeline is tight, but we can probably fit it in. What exactly are you looking to have done? We're making excellent progress on the Boss 429. The engine is almost ready for the heads, and we should have the interior wrapped up this week.
You've got a classic on your hands. We can make this interior look brand new again.
I appreciate that, but I'm hesitant about the leather work. It needs to be, I'm telling you, the wood grain needs to be darker to match the original spec.
Darker won't work, Ryder. It'll clash with the upholstery we chose. The balance will be complete.
Trust me, when this restoration is done, it's going to be the finest Boss 429 on the road.
Trust me, I'll make this paint job perfect for you. Yeah.
It's the original paint, you know? I'm hesitant to let anyone...
The deeper we go with the color sanding, the better the reflection will be. It has to pop.
But that's not how they did it in '69.
Yeah.
It needs to look vintage, not straight off. She is in pristine condition, yes. I've put a lot of work into this Mustang. I need to make sure she goes to the right hands if I sell. All right, everyone, here she is. The fully restored 1969 Boss 429. Come on in, take a look.
Ryder Flynn's friends and family are blown away by the restored 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429's beauty.
Hello! A magazine feature? That's incredible. Yes, of course. We would be honored to have the Boss 429. Getting the Boss 429 ready for the feature was a challenge, but look at her now.
Whoa.
Wow.
She's a beauty. The readers are going to...
How long did the restoration take? We spent nearly 3 years bringing this Boss 429 back to life.
And the engine. When you pour your heart and soul into something, this is the result. I couldn't be prouder of how she turned out.
Ryder, this Boss 429 looks pristine. How long did the restoration take?
It took a while, Alex, but preserving the history was key. We sourced original. I'm calling about the '69 Boss 429. I'm prepared to make you a generous offer.
I appreciate the offer, I really do. But this isn't just a car to me.
It's been a long restoration, but she's ready for display. We'll have her delivered by Tuesday.
The restoration team did an incredible job.
Absolutely stunning. The Boss 429 is back.